What is up, you guys? I'm Charmx. Today I'm going to be reacting to YTP. Tourette's guy finds a beehive in his bottom, shall we say, by CS188. That's right, CS188's back with another YouTube poop. I'm freaking hyped. Hope it's be quite funny. And yeah, make sure you guys go subscribe to CS188. The original link's in the description. And without any further ado, let's begin.
Is that a Mickey Mouse t-shirt?
Yes! Toys! Unsolved mysteries! I've got the code 19!
Too soon? Yeah. A little bit too soon for that. Someone in the comments.
Where's my ass?
Danny, what do you want for breakfast?
Dear.
What?
Oh, you! Dear.
What?
I freaking love him. Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's total. I don't really like.
I don't like it either.
Don't touch Toto!
Dom DeLuise. He used to be a
I've never been a fan of that Toto song.
chef on TV.
I want to touch his
Now the winning pick four numbers. 0. 0. 0. 0. The five numbers. 0. 0.
Holy shit! Where's the house?
You're over here, Daddy. This back.
Go over here! Ouch! Who gives a big of a shit fight?
I bet a lot of you people don't even know who Tourette's guy is. Go look him up on YouTube. He's like an OG. I don't know. I think he started making videos before YouTube, like on his own website, and then in like 2005 when YouTube came around, he started uploading on YouTube or something. But I don't think he's done anything in a while.
I love my grandma Janelle, sweetest person in our world. God bless her. 93 years old, you only want to turn ass. You! I sting! No, not the beast! Not the beast! Sting! Oh, sting! Sting!
Bob Saget.
Sting! 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 Sting!
I love him.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Are you shitting me? Update!
I'll kick you in the butt.
Twitch! I love you! Why don't you
Proceeds to get banned.
eat my ass? Or we're gonna or what? How's the car take a I want a biggie friggy.
I want a biggie fraggy. What is that?
Give me some ass to drink! Holy shit! Oh!
Wait, did he do gaming videos?
Sorry. Combs! Combs! W. As in, where's the paper towels? B. As in, pissed off Puerto Rican. C. As in, Chewbacca taking a shit. B. As in, bitch. P. As in, sperm. G. As in, God damn it, these fish sticks are hard as tits. J. As in, Josh.
Josh. Josh. Oh, I freaking love this.
Eat my shack! I'd like to taste my ass! Go to who the hell is Rick Astley?
Rick Astley.
What is this?
Wait, what song was that? That wasn't the Rickroll. Was that one of his other ones? Oh yeah, if you want to go support CS188 on Patreon, I'll link that in the description as well. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. I think this is pretty funny. I think I'd rate this YouTube poop out of a 10. I don't know, I really liked it, but maybe like a 7. Make sure you guys go subscribe to CS188 if you haven't already. And yeah, with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Boop.